Going YouTube, it's your guy Fabian coming back at you with another great video, this time on Lucid Group stock. Before we begin, I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing that you hear or see on my channel should be considered as such. Just Luna wanted to say hi real quick before we start the video. Say hi. Lucid is going to the moon. Lucid is going to the moon. Okay, get out of here. Come on, you can't be in all my videos, Luna. No dogs were hurt in the making of this. But I just wanted to kind of make a quick video on Lucid real quick for you guys. The market has just closed and it's down almost 9%. So not what we wanted to see, right? If we are bullish on Lucid. It is trading below the 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages, which is not good. It's showing signs of that it wants to enter into a downtrend. Still a little bit too early to tell, but that's kind of where it's at today. Let's see, the RSI is not really doing much. We'll kind of wait for it to see if it gets into overbought territory, and then if it does, we can expect a move to the downside, right? But I mainly wanted to make this video because of what's going on with the January 19th lockup period expiring, right? So I just wanted to, I think I shared this article with you guys before in a previous video, but I just kind of want to reiterate some facts. Let me see if I can find it for you guys real quick. So yeah, it's this article here, and so it was, yep, 5 things to know about the upcoming January 19th catalyst. Right, so first thing is, this isn't the first lockup expiration for Lucid, right? So we've had one on September 1st, and we know that the stock fell by almost 11%. So this isn't our first rodeo. And then it ended up falling more, 22% the following week on September. Sorry, prior to the September lockup. And January 12th marks the week before the January 19th expiration. So what does that mean, right? So this is telling us to expect some volatility, right? Expect some volatility because it's the 1 week before the lockup expires. So the way I'm looking to play this thing, right? Obviously, I'm looking for this thing to take a dip. I don't think that it will necessarily drop like a rock or anything like that, but I do think that maybe Saudi Arabia will take some profits, right? Not obviously not a ton, you know, as they say, as it says right here, that, you know, the PIF owns 67.2% stake, so they're kind of controlling this thing. But even investors are not anticipating a significant sale. So, you know, Saudi Arabia is putting a lot of money into Lucid, and they're putting a lot of money into, you know, electric vehicles in general. So they obviously they have oil, but they recognize what, you know, what is in the future, and it's going to be electric cars, right? So they're putting a lot of money into this thing, and even a lot of significant investors, they're not expecting them to sell. Now, this right here, the next lockup expiration day will be in about a year, a little over a year, January 23rd, 2023. And that will be the people that sponsor Churchill Capital. They will be allowed to sell their shares. So not really too worried about that. That's a year from now. I'm still very, very bullish on Lucid. I think this will be a great dip buying opportunity. I don't really think it will drop too low, but let's take a look at the chart one more time just to kind of get an idea of where this could drop to, right? So I'm thinking if this was to have a significant dip, and it did for some reason drop below the 33.78, this support, next level, lowest of the lowest would be 28.38. I don't see it getting that low. It could, right? And that would be an excellent dip buying opportunity. I don't see it getting that low, but it could. Like I said, I'm still very bullish on Lucid, and let's see. So obviously, looking at this article, a lot of other people that are probably a lot smarter than I are also very bullish on Lucid, right? So this is a forecast and price targets by analysts, Wall Street analysts. And as you can see here, they are giving this thing a highest price target of $60, mid price of 41.20, and lowest of 16. I don't know. 16 is kind of laughable, but okay, right? And everybody has the right to their own opinion. And this is kind of the average price that they're giving you, right? The 41.20, which is kind of where we're at. So not too bad. I think this is a little bit conservative. I think this could be a little bit higher, in my opinion. I think this thing will be ending the year around maybe, I want to say $70. So my initial price target for 2021, where I thought it would end, was actually $45. So I was pretty close, right? Obviously we had a bad December, but I was pretty darn close. So let's see if I can get it right again. And then let's take a look here real quick, because like I said, I'm very bullish on this thing. And so obviously a lot of people are also very bullish, right? They're giving it a smart score of 9 to outperform. These are all analysts. Very positive sentiment, bullish sentiment. Last 7 days are bullish. So I'm thinking, if anything, this will just be another dip buying opportunity, and you guys should definitely keep your eyes on Lucid. I will be doing another update later on, probably during the week. I want to kind of let the chart develop and see what it's telling me. Like always, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and I appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. And until next time, me and Luna the Lucid Dog will see you guys next time.